Hlezi sonke kumnandi bonke abafazi besala. Sonke si-sexy, sonke si-flexy, sizobusha. Shunga intuthu khala isibhubhu olokaqa. Sizobumnandi sithamela ilanga sikokophaqa. Wozala, shana wozala. Sidla ubusha, wozodra. Wozala, shana wozala. Sidla ubusha, wozodra.
2x2, jump in a 4x4, ayy. Shorty came with a best friend, got a bench press, but she want more, ayy. What's in store, ayy? Just jump on the floor, Tell her who are you, ayy. With a 2 life crew, ayy. Come on, toy on the rhythm with the ones make the speakers boom, ayy. Throwing up gang signs, but I make pound signs, pink and blue, ayy.
Hey, TT girl, what's up?
How'd the date go? Why'd you turn off your location?
Girl, it was great. But see, I didn't know if I was going to be fast, so I didn't need you tracking me, okay? He smells so good. Oh, my God.
Send me a pic. I want to see. How you getting home?
Girl, relax, okay? I called a pocket ride. It should be pulling up shortly.
You don't wait till you got in the car? Ugh. These millennial men have no manners. I can't.
Girl, it is fine, okay? I told him he could go. Girl, I'm a lady, and I'm trying to get a second date.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, is that a toilet flushing that I just heard in your background, girl? Bitch, it's 11:30. What's the tea going on over there in your manor, Dr. Cleaver? Bitch, is that blush and contour?
Okay, you know what? I am grown. I have company, and don't ask me anything else. Thank you. Ooh, he's handsome, Amina.
So then why you calling me Miss Grown if you clearly over there entertaining company?
Anyway, did you see this year's crypto projections? $1 billion in losses. Did you sell like I told you to?
Girl, yes. Pocket think that they the new crypto messiah, but I cashed in after I hacked into the exchange in Evanston, okay? Peep the long lead projection.
Amina, you could go to jail or be fined for hacking those. Please don't do that again.
Let me tell you something. Some rules are meant to be broken. Just call me the Crypto Robin Hood, but it's Robin with a Y.
What am I going to do with you? Listen, turn on your location so I know when you got home, okay? I mean it, Amina.
Okay, done. All right. And my car is pulling up right now, so I'll text you when I get home, hussy. All right, girl. Love you.
Love you.
She's a mess.
Still didn't tell her?
About?
About us. And I see you still don't have your ring on.
It's complicated, Greer.
Complicated, maybe. But divorced couples get back together all the time.
Getting back together? We never discussed that.
Wonder why.
Greer!
Hey, I'm Amina.
Oh, you got water, good, because I need it.
Pockets, the world's first crypto-based rideshare app. Thank you for using cryptocurrency and blockchain to order this ride. Buckle up.
Reached Amina. Leave a message or just text me like the rest of the world. Bye.
Hey, Mina, what's going on? You said you were headed home. Call me, or at least text me and let me know you're fine. Where is this girl?
girl, hey. What you still doing up? Is that the décolletage exposed and the girl sitting propped up? Oh, my God.
Who is at your house? Tell me now.
Stop. Hey, girl. Listen, do you still have a connect to that unit you used to work with?
Rick's police unit?
Yeah.
Yeah, why?
Cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or pockets that use blockchain technology could be used to achieve racial and gender equity and justice. However, with the rise of transactions using crypto in the dark web, assailants have gotten wise to their crypto being monitored. And to answer that issue, I created Chain Reactor, the only software in the world that can trace every transaction using crypto or blockchain, including on the dark web. Since its inception 5 years ago, federal agents in the U.S. have hired me as an independent contractor to assist them in crypto blockchain cases. Now, I'm still a professor at the University of Chicago, specializing in computer science and advanced systems, but I'm a busy woman and I want to give back. No, I shouldn't probably say that last part, huh? What do you think, guys? What are your thoughts? Take that last part out, right?
Oh, a camera. Hi.
I'm here. Where are you?
All right, well, thanks for the feedback, guys. I don't know, I have ethical concerns selling Chain Reaction to the feds. I mean, tracing everyday people and spying on them? That's not what I had in mind for this software. But with the cell, I can finally open that institute I've been talking about forever, right? That's it. Any more questions before we wrap it up?
I got a question. You ready to turn up, birthday girl? Oh, you on a Zoom?
Yes, clearly. Okay, sorry, guys. Can we please?
Bring your pen. What?
Oh, shit.
Nice, Carol. Yeah, you might want to work that out.
Hi, so can you just email me your questions and I'll be, thank you. Hi.
Sharon!
I could kill you. Thank God that was his rehearsal presentation.
Oh, my God. Biker shorts are the new sport. Girl, they don't care.
I still have to be professional with my colleagues at the university.
For a Zoom?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry I came unannounced, all right?
What is with the surprise visit?
I can't just pull up on my bestie. Plus, it's your birthday soiree weekend.
It is not a soiree. It is an at-home cocktail party. And if you order a stripper, I will actually disown you. And no, you can't just pull up. Wait, your bags are here. Uh-huh. What happened with Dr. Mike? Throuple convo didn't land well?
Correct, I'm leaving Mike. And did I tell you that I made 6 figures in Bitcoin on top of my pension? Oh, and the world is literally my oyster.
Your what?
Mm-hmm.
I thought you were going to ease him into the open marriage thing. You just had your 10-year wedding anniversary. Whoa. You trying to move in? Here?
Carol, will you stop being so dramatic? God, I just need a few days at the Cleaver Manor. You got plenty of space. You won't even know I'm here. Oh, that's loud. That's my food. You know, champagne and editors are giving me the munchies. Hey, can you leave it out the front door? Thank you. What?
You didn't even ask if I wanted something. And don't change the subject. Is this a separation you're talking, or are you talking about divorce?
Carol, there's activity at the front door. I believe it's food delivery.
Oh, hush it, you dumb robot. She knows what it is.
It's Eddie.
It's weird and creepy.
Is that Sharon I hear? Hello, Sharon?
Do not talk at me. Do not talk at me. I don't know you like that. You know what? This thing gonna come alive and it's gonna attack your ass. It's gonna rebel. But that's okay, Roomie. I'm here to protect you. Newly retired Detective Sharon O'Hara at your service. Mm-hmm. Hey, Mina, baby. You good?
Hey, y'all.
How you feeling, sweetie?
Oh, my God, I'm fine. Damn. Did somebody order food?
Yes, thanks for grabbing it for me. You want some?
No, thank you. I gotta watch my figure.
How you really feeling?
I mean, I'm good. You know, I've been staying here with Auntie Carol since. And I'll probably go back to my job and my work on Monday.
Oh, that's good. That's really good. See your friends, go to work, maybe even get some therapy. Ease back into your life, okay?
Okay. You know I love y'all. Now I'm about to go outside and get some fresh air. Right. I'll come back in a bit. Birthday festivities coming up.
That's right. Get some normalcy back in your life. You can't stay cooped up in Carol's fortress forever. Why are you looking at me like that?
Cooped up in my fortress?
Yeah.
Therapy? Ease back into life? Sounds like someone needs to follow their own advice.
2 men are at the front door, Carol.
His voice is so irritating. Can we turn it off?
No, you're visiting. Eddie lives here.
He's irritating.
Greer, what are you doing here?
Carol, this is my new partner, FBI agent Benjamin Tamayo. The office clerk said that you were working from home, so we came over.
The feds only make house calls when someone's in trouble.
It's about Aminah's case.
What's going on?
It's becoming a larger dark web operation, and it's serious. Due to its personal nature and our recent developments, it couldn't wait.
Dr. Cleavers, I've heard all about you. I've read all your research, your time at Google, and the TED Talks. All the crypto creeps know about you. Your work on Chain Reactor is stunning. Thank you for your service.
Thank you, and call me Carol.
The assailant who tried to sexually assault Amiyah is Landon Peters, dark web freak, a driver for Pockets. He's now been arrested and is in prison, thanks to you, Carol. A few days ago, we finished our initial search on his web activity, and we found some very disturbing images and videos on his IP address.
We need to use Chain Reactor to trace him to this larger operation.
This way.
On his computers, have found that he's not only a Pockets driver at night, but he's a registered user of Hello Video, a site on the dark web. Users can trade Pockets crypto coin for explicit material of young women.
We think that Landon is part of a network that's trafficking young women during Pockets rides. The drivers exchange the kidnapped woman for Pockets coin.
The drivers sell the women to a buyer within their network, and sometimes the buyer will record explicit content of an unconscious victim and post it here.
Sorry, turn it off. That could have been Amiyah.
I know.
Once Chain Reactor traces his Pockets blockchain, then routes us to other users on Hello Video, then ultimately to the administrator of the site, we can take it down and arrest whoever's behind all this.
The only challenge is that Pockets is new. It's kind of like Monero, a coin known for its privacy features.
I know what Pockets and Monero are. Get to the point.
Of course. Hopefully Pockets can be traced.
Greer, you're an IRS investigations agent. What's your involvement in this?
Benny. He's a field agent for the FBI, and he contacted me about this case. We follow the money, and we end all of this.
I need his blockchain address.
It's all there in the folder.
That's it. It's all there.
What is?
These Hello Video users are sloppy. They aren't obscuring their crypto trails. This path leads to every transaction and location. We follow the Pockets blockchain, and you can identify everyone involved in this.
Sorry. Notifying a higher up at the Bureau. This is really great intel, so... Can we take the site down with this trace?
Yes and no. You need to trace each blockchain address to their individual accounts. These guys think they're hiding, but their IDs or legal names should come up if they have crypto exchange accounts, which they all do.
So whoever is cashing out most of the Pockets crypto wallet is likely the admin of the site, and whoever is receiving the most crypto coins is likely the drivers doing the kidnapping and another activity.
An analyst can help you map out all of these blockchain addresses and find these criminals. I'll put everything on a drive.
We were hoping that would be you.
I'm selling Chain Reactor. After tomorrow, I most likely won't have it anymore.
What? To who?
A government agency, I can't say who.
This is You're a tech baby. You're a genius.
Look, I'll put this data on a drive, and your analysts can manually type in these blockchain addresses and find their IDs and information. They won't have the ease of chain reactor, but it'll work. Greer, this is going to take days, weeks maybe. There were dozens of Hello Video crypto addresses right here in Chicago. What are you going to do about these local offenders? This is happening in real time. If I hadn't checked my phone when I did, Amiyah wouldn't be here.
We're a small unit. Our only target is the administrator, so we can get this whole damn thing taken down.
Greer, we gotta get a move on it.
No.
Crazy? Noemi! Hey, girl! I didn't know you were coming.
Sharon called and said we were having a wine down, so I brought the wine for the pre-birthday festivities.
Hey, Greer.
Hey, Sharon.
Oh, they were here on business. They're just leaving.
Bye, Greer.
Bye, Sharon.
Get them.
I will.
So the ex-hubby still making house calls?
It was business. Fed case, chain reactor. I'm working from home. You know, how you doing?
Oh, Peppa, don't think I didn't see you hand him that watch. Did he leave that here? Oh, my goodness. Are y'all fucking?
Okay. I have work to do, and it does not include this interrogation, okay? I will see y'all in a little bit.
No, ma'am. We are having a girls' day, so go on and fire up that patio, grab some snacks, have Eddie play some good old music, because the pre-birthday hang, it's happening.
Absolutely. Look, the sunset awaits. Eddie, play some 90s R&B freaky music. No, scratch that. Play some 80s house music with intercuts of 90s R&B swing.
You got it. Loading up a playlist now. I hope you all enjoy it.
Okay, so the Terminator is growing on me. Oh, this is my song. Hey. Get it. Gotcha.
Sure, that was great, but you are not allowed to post those anywhere.
Scout's honor, your secret safe with me. Hey, Eddie, turn it down a little bit.
Sure. Would you like me to place another order for wine delivery?
No, thank you. We're good.
You know, I love what you did with the Eddie prototype. This whole house feels so leveled up.
What? Oh, she can't get with my AI man of the house.
He's existential.
It's the future.
Well, how'd you name it?
Eddie? Oh, it stands for Engaged Data Intelligence. I know, it's a little clinical, but that's my father's name, Edward. You know, it feels familiar.
Well, speaking of advanced tech, is everything finalized with the sale of the chain reactor? Because, hell, I would have bought it.
You own a data research company. Why would you need a crypto blockchain tracer for?
Well, I find a use for it. The possibilities with that thing are endless.
Well,
and we do more than just data research.
Okay. I mean, the offer was attractive.
Who and how much?
I can't say who. It's the government. I mean, they want it for obvious reasons that I can't really get down with, but 7 figures for the software.
High, medium, or low?
Damn! 1.2
million?
Okay, 1.2. You know what? That is real attractive.
Sharon, did you just request $30,000 from me on Zelle?
That is the new down payment for my new house, and I'll be out of your house by sunup.
I can't. Could you cancel that, please?
But are you sure about this? Because there's a lot of organizations that can make a whole lot of use out of that software, and the government, they're just going to try to exploit it.
I mean, they have subpoenaed me a lot of times, and I'm over it. I love teaching, but I still want to get back to the community and open that blockchain institute I've been talking about.
Aww. Heifer.
You know what? I am done. You have been avoiding this all damn day. What is going on with you and Mike?
The divas want to know.
Okay. I asked Mike for an open marriage. We've been arguing ever since. I don't know. I just kind of flatlined recently in my marriage and in my life. And I just want some adventure, some excitement.
I can relate to that.
Okay, wait. So You want an open marriage so you both can sleep with other people? Or?
Oh, kind of.
Didn't he just become a deacon?
Done with you. Yes! And that's part of the problem. He's so traditional. And I like that about him when, you know, I was a detective and I was working. But now that I'm retired, I just want to get lit. Like, we're at this amazing halfway point in our lives, and why can't we just explore alternative ways of expressing ourselves?
Okay, well, have you considered ethical non-monogamy?
What is that?
I mean, it's basically an open marriage with rules and boundaries so you avoid all the drama.
Nina!
Hey, y'all. Girl, it's nice out here.
Oh, come join us.
Girl, I wish I could, but I have to call the caterers again for this party and make sure all the deliveries are on time for this bad bitch bouncy turn up.
It is just a cocktail party with past hors d'oeuvres and food. It is not a blowout.
Yeah. And wine makes me sleepy, so I just came out to say hi. Hi.
Amina, we look forward to having you back at the office next week.
Oh,
I missed you.
Yeah, I missed y'all too.
Yeah.
We'll turn up crew. Bye.
She's in better spirits. It's good.
It is.
Assholes.
Aw, thank you so much for coming, girl. I feel so much more in the birthday spirit.
Good, because Sharon sure does. And look, we deserve to get what we want, no matter what the cost. I'll see you at the party tomorrow night?
Yep. Okay. Thank you. Get home safe.
The party's over.
I missed the stripper.
Oh, God, it's my birthday.
Oh, my God. You have so much energy. Oh.
Eddie? Has someone been down here on my computer?
I'm sorry, Carol, I'm unsure. Based on my current settings, you have my systems asleep after 11 p.m. Would you like me to adjust the settings to stay active longer and continue my sweeps?
No, thank you. That's okay. Eddie,
Yes, Carol?
copy the blockchain address I just traced from Monitor 1 and cross-reference it to the dark website Hello Video. Pull information of the most active user in Chicago using Pocket Coin on the dark site.
Carol, must I remind you of the legal ramifications for accessing the dark web?
No, just do it. And show me a photo. I want to see his face. Print everything, Eddie. If I do this, it's for you.
Carol, found him. He is currently in the South Loop.
Hola, papi. Oh.
You okay?
Oh, my God. I'm so drunk.
Yeah.
I'm so thirsty, Papi. Do you have some water?
You having a fun night?
Oh, yeah. Oh, gracias. Ay. Ah.
Oh, papi. Can you please pull over? I think I'm gonna throw up. I'm so sorry.
Gracias, Y2Hey, active user on Hello Video. You sick son of a bitch! I got Oh my God.
911.
Hello?
What's your emergency?
Oh my God, my pocket driver just tried to rape me. Please help me. I'm on Lake and Wells. It's a black truck. Please hurry.
Pockets drivers, I'm on to you. I know what you're doing. Laundering Pockets crypto coin and trafficking unsuspecting young women. I've caught one of you tonight, and he's in custody now. If you don't stop, I'll come for you. The wig woman.
Oh, shoot. Oh, damn.
Yes, Sherlock, we're still going to need the extra vegan options. I don't care. You have several hours. Make it happen. And I'm still waiting on an email of all the servers with the face sheets. Yeah, I'll ask her. Oh, yeah, okay, bye. Girl, I'm never planning another party again. Good morning, Auntie Tisha.
Morning. Hey, there's mimosas.
What? The sage in this chaotic kitchen, girl, she is going to lose it.
She loves when I give her cute little surprises.
This is certainly a surprise.
Why is it so sagey in here? Can we open a window? Oh my God.
Surprise! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday,
Auntie! Isn't it cute?
Oh, it's something. You guys, I have a chain reactor meeting in 10 minutes. I need to go prepare.
No, you're gonna sit. You're gonna eat. 2 seconds.
Okay.
So the caterer called and he asked, did you want to put a number on the cake?
No, I'm 45 and fabulous. No need.
I know that's right. Eddie, turn off the oven, turn on the oven fan, and then bring the central air down to 68 degrees.
You got it, Sharon.
Okay, growth. See? He has a place in this home.
Carol, it is still a it. Now, in other celebratory news, I've decided
to clean my kitchen and go home to your hubby tomorrow?
No, I've decided to write a novel.
Oh, what is it about?
Okay. It's about a former detective who goes to this woman's retreat and she keeps recalling all these detective stories, and then I'm gonna throw some Stella Got Your Groove Back moments in there too. So.
Okay, T, so it's like an Auntie Nancy Drew.
What is it with you millennials and calling us aunties? I'm still bad and bougie. I don't know what you talking about.
Well, hold on, because Auntie is a term of endearment.
I like it.
Anyway, I'm workshopping titles. Check it. Darling Detective and the Happy Coochie. What you think?
Okay. So let's keep workshopping. Okay. How's party planning going?
Planning is going. Things are going to be very lovely and exquisite. Ooh, and I invited Uncle Greer. I don't want to hear anything about it.
Speaking of which, yeah, we still haven't circled back to that Greer sneaky link you keep glossing over.
Wait. Greer? Sneaky link?
Uh-huh.
Girl, what's the tea?
No tea. Okay, he came over a few weeks ago and left his watch. We're just reconnecting. No big deal.
Oh, college sweethearts unite! Folks get back together after divorce all the time. There is nothing wrong with that.
Get back together. Oh my gosh, y'all are getting back together!
Oh no, we're not getting back together. We are just working through things. We're just talking about it.
How long has it been since y'all been divorced?
3 years.
You know, a lot of couples didn't make it after the pandemic. And I just think all of this time and space apart is going to help you guys see how much you really mean to one another.
Mm-hmm.
What? We're not talking about me. Today is about you.
Mm-hmm.
Carol, your meeting is in 5 minutes. I've turned on your computers to get you a head start.
On that note?
No, don't listen to him. Come on.
I love you. And, don't worry about it. I got it. Just go. Just go. Happy coochie girl? Really? Well, it is.
As you all know, since its inception, I've worked a number of successful federal and state cases with the help of Chain Reactor. And now, as this technology advances and I continue my work as an educator, it's time for a new home for this software. Lastly, I'd like to see an ethics code from your team on how Chain Reactor will be safely utilized in government strategy before we sign the deal. Thank you, gentlemen.
Everybody gather around. It's time to sing. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carol. Happy birthday to you. Okay. Before we continue this marvelous party, darling, I would like to give my bestie, my sister, my friend, her birthday gift.
It better not be a stripper. I did not recover from that bachelorette party. Sharon?
No, it's not a stripper.
Okay.
That's for the after party. Kidding. Okay. So everybody knows how much Carol loves to travel. And I am gifting you 2 first-class tickets to Greece, baby! Greece!
Oh my God, thank you.
You got it, baby. Love you too.
My turn.
Okay.
So, for those of you who don't know, Carol and I worked together in Silicon Valley for a number of years, and we formed quite the sisterhood there. So when I moved from Chicago, she was one of the very first people that I called. And we have been there for each other ever since.
Yeah.
Now, photo collaging is one of my hobbies, so on this diamond-encrusted drive are photo and video memories celebrating all of your fabulousness over the years. And then you can add more as you create more memories.
This is beautiful. Thank you, Noemi. Look at this. All right, my turn. Excuse me, bad bitch coming through. To the woman who raised me, who took me in when I was just a teenager. You gave me a home, and you held my hand as I walked in my truth. To my auntie, Dr. Carol Cleavers.
Thank you. I love you so much.
Give it up. She planned this whole thing.
Yes, honey.
Yes, this shit wasn't cheap.
I love you so much. Well, I am speechless. Thank you all so much for coming. I really, really appreciate it, and I love you all. Thank you.
Happy birthday, bitch! Turn the music back on!
Drink up.
So what do you want to talk about?
Carol, whatever happens between us, I still want us to remain friends. No matter what.
What if I want more than that?
Then we take it one step at a time. I trust your pace.
Okay, but Greer, I know what I want. And I don't want to come second to your career.
We've been in each other's lives for years now. And I love and respect the woman that you've become.
Well, I need you to date me. And choose me. I felt alone the last couple of years.
Give me a chance. You remember your birthday back in Cabo?
Really?
I took you upstairs. I hiked your dress up. And
Greer, there's a house full of people. What if someone comes in here?
let him watch.
To be candid, I'm married. But my thing with him is, you do you, let me do me, and that's the way things got to be, baby. Bars. God, you're handsome.
I'll see you soon.
Good to see you. Oh, thank you. I'm sorry.
Carol? Good morning. I figured you want to get the day started, but I didn't want to disturb your morning rest.
What time is it?
It is now 10:25 a.m.
Good morning, princess. Look at you, sleepyhead. Want to hear how I'm feeling like last night?
No.
Oh, damn. What crawled up your ass, Eveline?
Sorry. Something's off.
Wait, TT, what's wrong? Are you okay?
I think I was drugged last night.
What? How? We were all together almost all night last night.
You didn't eat one of my edibles, did you? I told you they was way too strong for you.
No, of course not. That's not the feeling I had. I said goodnight to Greer. I grabbed a glass of champagne from one of those servers, and the next thing you know, I'm up in this bathroom throwing up.
Okay, hold on. You sure you just weren't really drunk?
No, I only had 3 or 4 glasses of champagne, and I didn't even say goodbye to the guest. Y'all know I wouldn't leave without doing that.
That's true. I mean, I just thought you were tipsy and went to go lay down.
You know what? I saw that server leave. He was a white guy with rugged features, dark eyes, and dark black hair, roughly about 6'1".
Wait, damn, how did you peep all of that?
The detective in me never dies. We gotta ID this person on the external cameras. No, Amina, don't you have a list with photos of all the servers that worked last night?
Yeah, I do. Hold on. Take a look at the caterer's face sheet.
Okay. Do you recognize anybody?
He's not on the list. Okay, hold on. Okay, that guy was giving suspect energy, but why would somebody drug you at your house party? You don't have any enemies. You don't even have enemies in cyberspace.
Oh my God.
Eddie, bring up the camera footage from last night between 11 p.m. and midnight and put it on monitor 1.
Of course, Carol. But must I remind you, after 11 p.m., I'm systems asleep, and the only footage recorded are from the front door and back door cameras. It's limited.
That's fine. Let me just see what you have.
Yo, why you turn them off at 11?
There's cats and squirrels. They go in front of the monitor and it alerts Eddie and wakes me up.
Yo, how you get it in here?
His server's behind there. A little old mini data center. It's his brain.
Wait. Who is that right there leaving out from the back and coming around the corner?
Oh my God, that's him leaving. But it's only his profile. You don't see his whole face.
No, that's just enough. We can email this to my old unit, see if they can ID him, run his name, and possibly even bring him in for questioning.
Wait.
What?
He knows who I am.
Who?
Oh my God, this is insane. They're practically bragging about what they did to you.
Okay, y'all been speaking Tekanese all day. Can you please explain to me what's going on? Spell it out.
Okay. So there are guys who are using the new rideshare app Pockets to traffic young women and to sell them for crypto coin on the dark web.
I had on a simple disguise. I used Chain Reactor and Eddie, and I found this guy that uses Hello Video and the Pockets network. I attacked him, and I tased him, but he is in custody, and he is now a registered sex offender.
You did what?
Carol, that's crazy.
No, it's beyond crazy. It's illegal. And badass says, fuck! Oh! Give me some! I'm so hyped! Oh, wait. Hold on. But they drugged you. How did they get to you, and then the drugging of it all?
Because I made a mistake. I stupidly sent a message as the wig woman, and I uploaded a photo of the wig and the folder. When you upload an image, you right-click the video source, and you'll see exactly where the IP address is and where the message came from, and I didn't encrypt the message.
Okay, we need to get on this quick. I should call Rick.
No! This server guy knows where I live. And who's to say the police bring this to justice? Him or somebody else could do something worse. Amiyah was almost abducted by the people in this network. It could take Greer and his team days or weeks to get this site down.
Okay. What you thinking?
Whatever you want to do, Auntie, I'm down.
We go after him and everyone else in our way in this Pockets network. Tonight, as the wig women, we send them one last and final message.
Okay, vigilantes.
Hold up. How do you expect us to do that? I mean, I don't want to lose my pension getting caught up in some mess.
Of course not. It'll be quick. All we need is wigs and some sexy outfits.
Oh, don't worry about that. I got you covered.
Okay, I'll use Chain Reactor to map out their blockchain trails and get their crypto addresses. I will pass that information to you, Amiyah.
Okay, and I'll use their crypto addresses. I'm gonna hack them one by one. I'm gonna get their IDs, names, addresses, and license plate numbers. We gonna get them in a Pockets ride, and I'll pass that to Sharon.
Here, take these taste gun strips.
The who?
It's a prototype I developed years ago to combat sexual assaults on campuses. It's a Band-Aid-like strip on a keyring. You tear it off, place it on the skin, and press that button. It'll light up. 35,000 volts will rip through the skin and attack their body nerves.
Whoa. I needed these in my detective days. Why didn't you just sell this to the police union?
Didn't pass safety codes.
Oh. We about to fry these fools.
Here, make sure you order your Pockets ride from a fake account in a different location, okay? Here, I'll track you and make sure that we have your location at all times.
Sharon, you're gonna wear a different wig every time. And here, put that on.
What is
Put it on.
A mask? I'm not wearing this superhero stuff. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Fine, no mask.
I mean, but you're gonna need a look, like, you know, yeah.
See? Yes.
No, what? No, I don't. No. Why I got to be the bait? Why I got to get my wig knocked sideways and crooked?
Because I am tracing the blockchain.
And I'm hacking.
You're the detective.
Retired. And fine.
You get in that car, and you tase them till they pass out.
Bait, catch, and destroy them.
Don't stop. I don't wanna slow down, I'ma speed it up. Way I put it down, hold it down, but you're gonna wanna try to keep up. Every time they holler, every if I had $1 for like every single time they try to holler, I'd be richer than the queen. I just wanna see if you can move my way. I'ma set the tempo, do my thing. I don't wanna see you sitting down, no. Keep up, ayy. Get a little close, zoom in my frame. Make it look sway my way. I don't wanna see you sitting down, no, don't stop. Show you how I do my thing. Show you how I do my thing. Show you how I do my thing. Do my thing. Do my thing. Show you how I do my thing. Show you how I do my thing. Show you how I do my thing. I'ma show you how I do my thing. Show you how I do that. Show you how I do my thing. Show you how I do my thing. I'ma show you how I do that. Do that.
Any leads yet? Nope. But he was real noisy on here after he drugged me. Now nothing. No messages, no rides.
Here, don't forget my birthday gift for y'all is coming tomorrow, okay? We need to get our beauty rest for Ronnie getting here with them heels on and get us together.
We'll get him.
We got it. Girl, you manifested that. Here, take a look.
Damn.
Check it out. He cashed out on some Pockets crypto at an exchange center in Evanston about 3 days ago. His ID and his bank account information is loading, but I just need to hack this temporary cross-site script and boom.
That's him. Antonio Tyser Ciccarelli.
Okay, wait. If he doesn't do any Pockets rides tonight, how are we gonna get to him?
Oh, we can send him some malware through phishing and we get him in a honeypot.
English, please.
Okay. So phishing is when you trick somebody online into providing sensitive information by clicking a link and then you hack them. But a honeypot is a digital trap to deflect someone and then you hack into their computer system.
I mean, I think he'd be too smart to fall for phishing, but a honeypot could work.
I know my honeypot works. Go ahead.
We just need his Wi-Fi network, and we're in his system. Eddie, pull up the probabilities of a digital trap on a virtual network and put it on screen 1.
Sure thing, Carol. There you go. By my estimation, your probability of over-the-air access to a virtual private network is less than 17%.
What could put those probabilities to 97%?
Thinking here. Well, if you release a remote access Trojan through the Wi-Fi network, you could gain full access and have remote control of someone's systems.
Okay, prep a remote access Trojan that can be released through a wireless network and save it to my drive.
Sure, but do I need to warn you of the legal ramifications for releasing this malware?
No, override. Complete this action.
I don't know what it just said, but I could tell by the looks of your faces that we're gonna need his Wi-Fi network in order for this to work, right?
Correct.
Okay, how the hell are we supposed to do that? Because don't you need to be near somebody's house or an apartment to get their Wi-Fi network name?
Yep, that's gonna be you.
You who?
You. That's what you're gonna do.
When you say I'm gonna do it, you mean me?
I mean you.
Like I'm gonna do it.
You're gonna do it, you.
Yeah. Me.
You.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so are you.
You.
Me.
You.
Yeah.
Oh, dear God. Fine. Me. I'm retired. You got me out here in the middle of the night doing this. This better be quick, Carol.
There's too many Wi-Fi networks being picked up in this alley. I can't tell which one is his.
We're not close enough.
Get closer.
Get closer? Who? You? Me?
You.
How the hell am I supposed to do that?
Just take that device and get close enough to his house in the backyard. I'll drop the Trojan virus over his network and we're out. It'll take 5 minutes.
You owe me a spa day. And I want the most expensive treatment they got. I want a 24-karat gold facial and a forehand massage.
Okay, fine. We'll just talk over the AirPod. The AirPods. Where's the AirPods?
I got the AirPods. They right here.
Okay, we'll talk over the AirPods and then we're out in 5 minutes. Come on.
Don't point that thing at me. I will break it. I swear to God.
get in.
Oh my goodness, you just got there. I need a couple of minutes.
It's dark back here. Hurry up.
All right, right. Just a little. Lift the device a minute. Lift it.
Hey. Yo, all right, come on.
Oh, God. It's still not close enough. Just a few more feet.
Okay.
Almost. I think.
Sharon. Yo, Carol, I can't. Forget this, I'm going back.
Who is Carol? And who are you? Drop it. Turn around.
Listen, I was just...
Carol. You wouldn't be referring to Dr. Carol. The birthday girl. Huh? Wig woman? That'll be up on Hello Video's message board tonight.
Listen, I don't know what you're talking about. Carol is my golden doodle, and she snuck her ass up in your yard, and you know what? Forget her. She'll come home at some point. Just please put the gun down and delete the photo. I'll just ease my way up out of here.
I don't think so. Why are you trespassing at my house?
Working the streets of Chicago, you learn a few things.
Oh, what the?
Step to us again, punk. Well, you should have left me out here. Well, you said that already. What is going on? Can somebody tell me what is happening? No. Can somebody tell me what is going on? Did y'all get it?
There were too many Wi-Fi networks, and I couldn't tell which one was his.
My AirPods died, and I almost did too. Oh, whoa. This is getting out of hand. Way out of hand.
Okay, well, you got his phone at least.
Oh, he could be tracking that. Turn it
It's
off.
off.
What difference does it make? He's already been all up in your house. Well, if he knows y'all were there and his phone is here, what if he comes back here? No. He's spooked. That's not going to happen. I've seen it before. Plus, I just had Rick send a unit over to Antonio's house. But this has got to stop, Carol. This is dangerous. She's right, Auntie.
Okay. But I'm gonna extract that data from his phone before he wipes his server clean.
Do what you want to do, okay? I'm done. I'm out of here. I'm going to bed. Auntie.
No. I'm gonna see this through. There's no turning back now. Eddie, extract user data from this mobile phone and run a backtrace on its darknet activity. Separate its contents into folders, messages, videos, photos, and email. Upload emails and send to Sharon O'Hara. And Eddie, make sure you're on a private network.
I will. Are you okay, Carol? I hear trepidation in your tone.
As humans, we tend to break the rules. I've just broken some. And I'm wondering if I've gone too far.
Breaking rules is a complex and nuanced issue that depends on the context, the nature of the rules, and the potential consequences.
Give me an example.
Rule breaking justified by ethical reasons, human rights violations, whistleblowing, creative and scientific innovation, or self-defense.
You sound just like him.
Like who?
My dad, Edward. He was my hero.
What do you think he'd want you to do in this moment?
Sip a gin and tonic and get into some good trouble. Good night, Eddie.
Good night, Carol.
Happy Sunday.
Hey, sweetie.
What's up?
My birthday gift is here. Ronnie is setting up in the den turned mini studio space, and no Emmy will be here shortly.
Great.
Yay.
Can y'all stop? Now, come on. I know the last couple of days have not been ideal, but this is our last birthday weekend activity, and we should enjoy it together.
I'm sorry I put you in an unsafe situation. That wasn't okay. Truce?
And I'm sorry for snapping at you. You were just trying to do the right thing. Truce.
We love to see it.
Oh my gosh, you were so
You were too much.
mushy.
Now let's get our sexy, sweaty, savage.
Oh my gosh, put these things away. I wish I could do that.
All right, ladies, we are going to start with the most basic element in heels, which is your bevel.
Oh, okay.
Yes, okay. All right, here we go, ladies. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Now listen, don't be intimidated. Because a heels class, it can be sexy, it can be a great workout, it can be fun, and it can be challenging. But most of all, honey, it is reclaiming our power. We are tapping into our divine femininity and into our sexuality.
No, they never listen. If I said it, then I meant it, then I meant it. Yep, I said it. Pay attention now, I might let you get it. All steady, this ain't too heavy. And if you tap that, I'm gonna jiggle like jelly. And if you're ready for the boom and the bass, then keep your eyes on this waist. I tell him, say, you got anger, let's wine. The drummer make me do it every time. But you got to try. Put your hands on my hips, left, right. I like that. Just like that. If you're ready, don't make a move. I got my eyes on you. I like that.
Messed up a knee. Oh, damn. See, I knew somebody was going to get hurt. My damn knee.
I say, ladies, yes, baby. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Ronnie. That was
Happy birthday,
amazing.
baby.
That was amazing.
Oh, thank you so much.
Oh, she's so good. She is.
So how you feeling?
Better.
Up, that's Rick. I got to take this. No, Emmy, if I don't see you before you leave, I'll holler at you later, girl.
All right. Happy Sunday.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, so you had the fabulous cocktail party. Amiyah said you had some kind of adventure yesterday. Then today was the heels class, and you had the at-home brunch. Listen, I am all for this cozy, intimate birthday weekend with a little bit of razzle-dazzle.
Yeah, you could say that.
Uh-oh. Like, what's going on? Wait, let me guess. It's the chain reactor? Are you still worried about selling it to the feds?
Yeah, that's it. I'm just hoping they could provide some guardrails and not exploit the system.
Well, look, Carol, you have all the power. You know that, right? Just use it wisely. Oh, wait, I have one more birthday gift.
Oh, you didn't have to do that.
It was nothing, I promise you. I saw it in the store. It's your favorite color. And it has all these inspirational quotes on the back. Here, let me put you.
Oh, you didn't have to do that.
It's nothing. You're so welcome.
Thank you for coming.
Bye, sis.
Thanks for doing this, Rick. We really needed somebody to handle this delicately. So what you got?
O'Hara, your Antonio Burke wasn't at his house this morning. I mean, we did a full sweep. Computers all fried up and everything.
Did the warrant include a seize of property?
No, we need more evidence than that.
Rick, I emailed you the evidence in a big folder this morning.
I saw that email, but it's gonna take hours for us to sift through all that to escalate it. And you know that. And did you see that article in the Tribune this morning?
What article?
Wig woman vigilante leaving wigs, evidence, and tased unconscious offenders for local PD.
got yourself into, O'Hara? Huh? Retirement ain't enough for you? Or you just want the Sousa to snatch your pension?
Look, I don't know what you're talking about, former partner, so.
All right. Be that as it may, the writing's on the wall. All right? And this is bound to be spun up into something much bigger.
So, be careful. All right?
All right, Rick. Let me know.
What are you two doing here? I'm not doing any more chain reactor work. In fact, in the next 48 hours, I'll no longer own it.
Carol, be honest with me. You know anything about this? Are you the wig woman?
Greer, don't be ridiculous. I've been home all weekend.
Can you prove that? Count for every hour?
Yes, I can. And if you don't have evidence to prove otherwise, I'd appreciate not being treated like a suspect when those offenders are the real criminals.
This is interference with a federal investigation.
Then go investigate and leave me out of it.
Are you sure you want to stand by that? Be left out of it?
Get to the point, Greer.
Benny, give us a second. This was found on each perp. You developed this back in 2019. I gave you the feedback for this color. So unless someone broke into your lab or your home office and stole this out of a secure cabinet, I'm gonna need a stronger alibi. Come on.
Arrest me then. But before you do, the night of my birthday party, somebody drugged me.
We'll talk about this later. Benny, we're done here. Let's go.
Be careful, Carol. There are some dangerous people that are part of this network. And they don't take kindly to threats.
Yo, was that Greer?
Yes, and he knows everything. You read the article.
Oh, yeah, Rick just told me about that. Press picked that up quick.
Well, Greer knows it's me. I made those taser strips when we were still married, and he helped me with it. Girl, he pulled one out of his pocket and cornered me with it. I'm worried this is all gonna blow up.
No. Rick is our contingency. He's lead detective, and he has all that phone evidence. He's not gonna blow smoke this way, trust. Oh, he also told me about our guy Antonio. He wasn't at the house. He fled, just like I predicted, which means it's only a matter of time before they catch him. And all we need to do is stay cool and go on about our business.
And on that note, it's been real, y'all.
What? Out?
Yes. Thank you for an eventful weekend, to say the least. Y'all know y'all my favorite aunties in the whole world. Plus, I really, really needed this to get my hands dirty a little bit and to take my power back.
That's right.
You sure this is a good time for you to go home with everything happening?
Yes. Here, plus I gotta pick up my moans tomorrow. It's time to re-up. Girl, it's time for me to get back to my life. Noemi has been a great boss, and she's been more than understanding.
Well, you take care, little girl.
Oh, you haven't called me that in years.
That's how you know I love you. I'm sorry. Shower coming soon. Do not do me.
Okay, well, you be careful. Call me when you get home, okay?
You know I will. And here, you get some rest, okay? Here's over now, vigilante.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, be safe.
Bye.
So do you really think it's over? Yes, and I'm gonna need you to stop worrying, okay? Between Rick, local PD, Greer, and the feds, this case is wide open. It's being investigated. We're good. Now, I'm gonna need to say something to you, Dr. Cleavers. You're the bad bitch. I'm bringing it into action. Okay?
Wig women, baby.
Yes.
I need something stronger.
You know, it really did feel good stepping up and taking action for Amina. But the only action I need to take right now is a shower.
Girl, I think we both need that. Cute phone case.
Oh, yeah. Noemi gave it to me for my birthday.
Carol, I'm picking up some type of audio interference. A signal bouncing.
Bouncing where, Eddie? Internal or external?
Internal or external, Eddie?
It's nothing. My apologies.
Was that a glitch? Or does that thing get high on Morse code?
No, it happens sometimes.
Well, I love you, girl.
Love you.
Ugh. Hey, come back later, okay? Because I want to watch a movie. I'm feeling rom-com-y in the 90s. The best of the culture happened in the 90s. I like that movie Boomerang. Especially that girl on the roof. She's funny.
What the hell?
You've reached Dr. Carol Cleavers. Please leave a message.
Hey, Auntie Carol. So I hacked a backdoor image code and I tracked a potential lead on Hello Video and it routed me to an IP address, but something's not right. It's mirroring a wireless network at my work building. It looks like it could be a Hello Video admin at my office, but I don't know. I mean, you probably don't want to hear any more about this, but I couldn't help myself. Here, I'm gonna text Uncle Greer. Call me back, okay? Bye.
Eddie!
Smoke has entered your photoelectric smoke detector. It's coming from the kitchen.
Eddie, turn off the alarm! Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, gosh. No. Sharon, what the hell? My strong tea just kicked in. I was making gumbo and some of that crab juice fell in your oven, right?
It's okay. It smelled good at least.
Carol! Carol!
What is wrong with you? Strong tea? Are you high?
Yes! But I feel so light, girl. You want some?
No. Thank you. Let's just order some takeout. Come
I'm 2 steps ahead of you. I already did it. I'm way ahead of you. But, girl, I really love to cook. You like my food, right? You chew it.
I do, and I know you like to cook, but why can't we just enjoy takeout while you're here on your staycay? And please stop assaulting my kitchen. It can't handle any more of your domestic assaults.
Oh.
Now, what does the shroom tea entail?
Oh, are we curious?
Yes, a little.
Okay. It's a microdose, but it's a soothing body high. Great mental relaxing, and it just opens up the mind to the present moment.
You sound like a hippie.
No, I sound like an enlightened woman, and I'm gonna pour you a cup, and we're gonna sit out on that patio, and we're just gonna listen to the night air and the grass.
We're listening to grass. Okay,
Yes.
I'm gonna get the wine.
And the lightning bugs. You wino. We drinking on plant medicine tonight. Hey.
No. I can't. I don't like to get high. The last time Amiyah got me high, I had to call an ambulance on myself. I was high till the next morning. No, ma'am. No, thank you.
It's not the same thing, I promise. It's light and airy, and it makes you believe.
In what?
I don't know. Oh, hold on. I think that's my food. Yes, it is. I'll be right back. What is... No. Oh, no. This can't be happening. Wait.
Sharon, what's wrong? What's wrong?
They took it.
They took what? They took what?
Half of my Bitcoin is taken out of my account. $33,000 of Bitcoin is gone.
Okay, encrypt your wallet and change your password right now. Change your password.
How could they do this? Why not just take all of it?
Okay, they can't just take your crypto. They have to be hacked.
By Antonio and Company? What the... Oh. Okay. Can they do that?
I don't know. It could be. I don't know. Come with me.
Okay. Come on. I said operator. No.
They're not going to be able to help you, Sharon. Hang up.
Damn it! What the hell am I looking at?
You see this? This circle represents your Bitcoin. These ejecting lines represent all the places they went.
This does some lines, Carol.
I know. Whoever did this knew exactly how to disseminate the coins and distort the tracing. It would take days to try to follow this. In that time, let us keep moving the coins.
So there's no way to find out who did this?
Yes and no. I won't have chain reactor long enough to chart this all out.
God, these freaking shrooms. I feel fantastic and furious at the same damn time.
Oh, I need to call Greer.
Carol, someone is attempting to break through your servers. I'm detecting a great deal of malware attacking your encryption systems.
Well, lock them out. Back everything up and re-encrypt.
I'm trying. The malware is plugged into the system somehow. It's taking over.
Plugged in? It can't be.
Wait. How is that possible?
I don't know. A wireless hack, maybe? Eddie, scan all these USBs and make sure there's no malware in it. And send a 911 call to Greer James right now.
On it. Carol, I'm detecting human motion activity outside of the house.
Oh my God. Yo. My gun is in my bag in the kitchen.
Should I call them?
Eddie? Eddie? I have to get my taser.
Hurry up, hey. Wait. Stay behind. Shh. Wait, don't leave me. I can't see. Hold on to me. Just stay right there. Stay. Come on.
What do you want? Ow.
We just want the chain reactor. You give us this source code and we'll leave.
I can't. The code will take hours.
We're gonna copy this source code before it's sold.
I didn't know it's sold.
Hello Video is mine, Carol.
Isn't it fascinating, Carol? The tech genius academic turned vigilante wig woman. Me, fed by day, blockchain wanderer by night. Both of us dancing between Greer and deception.
You've come to the wrong house.
Eddie!
Eddie is under our control now.
We're in the system. Lovely phone case, Carol. Like our audio interference?
And once this software got out, the government would have put us out of business.
Noemi and I have been working together for 3 years on Hello Video. She's the admin, and I keep feds off her trail. Cha-ching.
No!
Why are you doing this? You're my friend. Why? You're my friend. Why?
Put the gun down, Benny. I've always been a better shot than you. You know it.
Carol, I'm back online.
Eddie! Lock the door and call 911.
Eddie, whose house is this?
It's your house, Carol.
That's right. Noemi, you leave when I say you leave. Did you try to hack me with this?
Look, I made a bad investment in 2020, okay? My company went bankrupt. Almost lost everything. But with Silk Road and other dark websites tried and failed, I saw promise.
Amiyah was almost trafficked because of your site. What's wrong with you?
I didn't know that it would become what it became. Look, the users, they created their own underworld dark sector. I couldn't stop them.
No, you didn't try to stop your bankroll.
Pepper, you going to jail.
Okay, I'm sorry. This was supposed to be a simple software grab. The handcuffs, the sleep mask, that was all Benny.
Bitch, please. Don't fuck with my family or my things.
That's for Mina, bitch.
Yo, you think she did?
Nah, she's still breathing.
You wanna know what's crazy?
What about this shit ain't crazy?
Yeah, you're right about that. But, I think I still feel that shroom tea.
Damn, I thought it was a microdose.
I know, right? It's over, sis. It's over.
You saved us. Thank you.
Our video is being taken down as we speak.
I'll come check on you. I love you.
I love you too, Carol.
Oh my God.
Thank God you're okay.
Oh, I'm happy y'all are okay. I'm so sorry about Noemi and all of this, Auntie Carol.
Oh, it's not your fault.
It's all right. Listen, I think it's time for me to go home.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Yeah. I miss my man. It's been one hell of a week. Oh my God, I have a brilliant idea.
What?
You guys, the title of my book, inspired by this weekend. I'm gonna call it Operation Aunties. Bam! I love that.
You like that?
Yes.
That's cute.
You're still leaving, right?
Don't stop. I don't wanna slow down, I'ma speed it up.
Behind the scenes, day one. Hey.
Just go pull out, ladies, okay? I'm excited, I'm nervous. Camera action. I'm great, I'm in good hands. Let's go. Oh, shit. I just stopped and looked at the camera. We did that shit! I like that movie Boomerang. Especially that girl on the roof, she's funny.
That's stupid. I'm not gonna say that part.
Will you please, Wendy, stop. I can't do this with you today. I don't have the strength. I really don't.
Hey.
Okay, good. So you're over here.
Set.
Action.
Someone's in my shot.
Y'all don't have bigger size. Y'all know my head is kind of...
Mm-hmm. It is big. When those offenders are the real criminals. Well, goddamn, I got it. Can you say yours? Shit.
How the hell am I supposed to do that?
Just take that device and get close to this. Fuck, I'm so sorry.
Okay, let's take it to the top. I forgot to say sparkle.
That don't matter.
It does matter.
You are turning into a real pothead.
Girl, this some good stuff.
Action. You say my mother.
I'm gonna film you now. You're on candid camera. TJ! Yes!
1, 2, 3, Operation!
At the end of the day, as crazy as this world is, everybody, all you gotta do is smile.